everyone. Episode 12 of Harley Quinn was an absolute mess, and I mean that in a good way. Guys, what goes down in the episode is Joker, Scarecrow, and the Queen of Fables have basically destroyed the Legion of Doom's headquarters, sealed the Justice League minus Batman into the Queen of Fables storybook, and ruined the Gotham City Jazz Festival. And guys, truly, you can tell that the season finale is endly because there is some major stuff that happened in this episode. First and foremost, Ivy finally admits to Harley that Kite Man and her have been having sort of a public relationship, and this is the point where Ivy says, "How the fuck have you guys been dating and I've not known?" And also Kite Man actually plays a major part in actually rescuing the Harley and the crew from the Queen of Fables, Jack and the Beanstalk. I mean the giant from Jack and the Beanstalk. And Batman basically has to convince Commissioner Gordon to be potent and not to use tanks just because the Jazz Festival is ruined. So excuse me, guys. And also in this episode, Joker says that that since the Legion of Doom let in a second-rate clown, of course nodding to Harley. Joker declares that the Legion of Doom is no more, and ultimately dresses up in this general uniform, and actually builds the tower that Harley mentions to him in the very first episode, and everybody truly plays a part in stopping Scarecrow's role in the plan, which is to draw all of Gotham City to the park where the Jazz Festival it was supposed to happen, but now it's not. So guys, Joker finally accomplished something, at least until next week. For the first time in 80 years, Joker actually has succeeded in taking over Gotham, and then Joker obviously yells at the Queen of Fables for basically not being able to kill Harley, even though Joker let Queen in to his newly reformed version of the Legion of Doom, and it's actually Ivy knows that actually deals with Scarecrow's trees. Now even though Scarecrow has somehow, at least for the moment, apprehended the Dark Knight, who 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 really sounds like Kevin stepped behind the movie, even though it's Batman's voice actor from Batman the Brave and the Bold, but just know that Batman was great in this episode, guys, and it's actually Ivy that stops all the trees from basically destroying Gotham City Park, but Joker actually turns Ivy in the shish kebab because he places an arrow through her chest, and the episode ends with Ivy seemingly having died. And yeah, guys, that's basically the gist of the episode. Now, the unfortunate thing is, next week is the finale of Harley Quinn Season 1. But I can say with the utmost confidence, guys, I have truly enjoyed this journey that Harley has been on ever since episode 1, and I can't wait to see the epic conclusion to the first chapter of what I hope will be a long-lasting addition to the DC AU family. So Harley, I'll see you next week to hopefully kick Joker's ass